24 of Asad, and as well as it is not just a day, it is a hope, and it is important, and as well as it has a best role for the Muslims and as well as for Afghans. After this, before of this, there were war, and as well as there was different difficulties and as well as hard in Afghanistan. After this, Alhamdulillah, there is not any war, there is not any problems in Afghanistan, and we say this day is not just a day, this date is not a date, but it is an important hope, and as well as it has a role for all Muslims, especially for Afghans.